mula. Make available the translation of this beautiful music with Taroga by what's this group? The Kodimana. No. Paradise Roots. Yes, Paradise Roots. What I found in the comment section was this. I was actually blown away by this comment by this guy who is originally from Bosnia, but he's living now in Australia. And this is what he said in the comment section. I've been searching a long time for a perfect, most endearing, beautiful, and melodic song in the world. I've been convinced that Greek, Arabic, or Indian music is the best in the world. I've just discovered this infinite treasure of beauty that made me melt down and made me want to go and live there. Absolute prostrations, and that is emojis. But anyway, and then you have heaps more. But this song, as you can see there, as I'm sharing my screen, it has reached 4.6 million views, and it was put out about a year ago. Then you have all these people from the Pacific region and elsewhere who absolutely love this music. So now I would like to, for those of you who have in the comment section said that you love the music, but you don't know or understand the lyrics, you love to understand what is being sung about here, because listening to it, maybe you love the melody, you love the music. Well, here is an attempt, my version of this song in English, my translation, that is. So I have given it the title, The Agony. Okay, The Agony. And you know, Fijians, just like many cultures, we dwell a lot on matters of the heart, broken heart, being in love, falling out of love, and stuff like that. So this song, The Agony, and as you can see there, Sangole, you're living, Kanisan Muinaki, because your purpose, Mokovea Via Unamarau, is to ruin my happiness. Masun, I pleaded, Veikumuna Nalomamu Membau Visau. Okay, let me see if I can just shift it. Make the screen bigger. Yep, there you go. Veikumuna Nalomamu Membau Visau, with you, my love, to change your mind. Yalong down the how my heart yearns. Motor Voleka. How my heart yearns to keep you close. And not to be apart. So now you get first bit of that, and then you have a chorus. Taroga. I keep agonizing, or I keep asking these questions. Yes, I keep agonizing. As to the reason, motatau why you said that you were leaving. What then is your reason? Kina Daulumani, for leaving me, my love. Sorry, this is what happens when I come to New Zealand, just adjusting to the Poland. That is why I have like a stuff nose. So, Kina Daulumani, for leaving me, my darling, Kosanro, and to abandon me. So, Autarolo. I keep agonizing over these questions. So there's some questions there. Keeps agonizing over these questions. Hence, the title of the song, The Agony. I'm so helpless. In your fickleness, I have been overwhelmed, if you can get the meaning. So this is what translation is all about. Try and capture the meaning, eh? So Ninde Iveiko, my trust in you, Tawani Kere and Nogumbi Tangavivila have all been, my trust in you have all been put in a pocket full of holes. Yeah, along with the Undiva too, yet still my heart yearns. The other Nona, for that time, the Vodi Gusinikau, Nong Sinikau, where I yet still my heart yearns for the time where I would have made you mine, my flower. And then it goes back to the chorus. They're more than the money, but I bid thee adieu, ma chérie. Yeah, ma chérie is like a female. Lingerie is French for men. But here, but I bid thee adieu, Marjorie, meaning I bid thee farewell, my love, to the girl. Kung sana kita bagaimana rumah dama, perhaps this parting is what you desired. Loloma e viriawa, but know this, that my love will remain. Wuni utongo korantau na numituga, and in my heart you still abide. Ya longo, thou diva tu, yet I still yearn. Motoroleka, to draw you close, that I may keep you as mine, my flower. So there you go, that last bit. And in my heart you still abide, yet I still yearn to draw you close, that I may keep you as mine, my flower. At the end. So that's the translation. This is my intellectual property, my version, of these Fijian song, the version, my English version, and my attempt at trying to capture the meaning the song. So there you go. Hope that this has helped, and that now you will get to enjoy the song more, because now you know what this group is trying to, or what the song is about, from this marvelous group. What's the group again? Paradise Roots. And actually, they are from my island, Vanuatu. In Fiji, where it has more than 300 islands. One of those islands is Vanuatu, and this group is from my island. And we say Pulasia. Mole.